think of the state of dialogue in the country today?
This is a loaded question.
I think it's really bad.
I think that listening to the news and hearing politicians talk can make me feel a little bit hopeless.
Dartmouth Dialogues is our institution-wide commitment to the creation of spaces where people can engage constructively across difference. Through public events that model respectful disagreement and through skill-building activities that teach the skills of constructive dialogue, we want people to be able to talk about the things that they hold deeply and walk away saying, we disagree, but I respect where you're coming from.
I think we live in really a highly polarized time. And I think our students want to know how to navigate the most difficult conversations in order to be effective and productive.
I came into college really looking for truth, and I think now I'm looking much more for understanding. Like, the goal of these conversations is not to prove how righteous we are, but to somehow make progress on where you can find agreement and consensus.
Real dialogue is difficult. It is hard to disagree with someone on something that you care a lot about. But my work with the Dartmouth Political Union and Dartmouth Dialogues has taught me it's not about winning, it's about listening and it's about understanding.
I think it's commendable that Dartmouth as an institution is leading this nationwide effort to lead with education, to lead with dialogue, and to lead with an open mind.
You've got to create this brave environment where people feel like they can push at each other. Tell them when they don't like an idea. Move forward.
We're talking to this next generation of leaders to say, we want you to lead differently, to engage differently, to care differently. And I think we're seeing the beginning of that.
I think seeing the conversations that my classmates and I are having, those conversations are the conversations that restore my hope and my faith in our democracy.
I have so much hope because of our Dartmouth students. Our students are engaged, they're curious, they're humble, they are thirsty for learning.
I think my professors give me hope. I think the Dartmouth community gives me hope. And I think Dartmouth Dialogues gives me hope